Hello children, I Reena Singh, your computer teacher. Welcome back to the online classes. Children, today we are going to study lesson 4. The name of lesson 4 is Parts of a Computer. In this lesson, we will learn about computer parts. So, let's start chapter 4, Parts of a Computer. Now let's start lesson 4, Parts of a Computer. As we have different parts in our body, a computer also has many parts. All these parts work together to do any work in a computer. As you know children, you have different parts in your body like hand, ears, nose, eyes, leg, stomach, hair. In the same way, a computer also has many parts. All these parts work together to do any work in a computer like monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse. All these parts make together a computer. Now let's know one by one to each part. First, monitor. See children, what is this? This is a monitor. A monitor looks like a television. We can see movies and cartoons on the monitor. It shows us the work done on the computer. Now second part, this is a CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. A CPU is the brain of a computer. Children, like you have a brain, in the same way a computer has also a brain and its name is CPU. It looks like a box. It helps a computer to think and work. Now come to the next page. Do you know children what is this? Yes, this is a CPU. You have to join these dots and color this. And after that, here given a keyboard. This is a keyboard. Children, you must have seen a mobile, Casio or calculator. See, mobile, Casio and calculator. Do you see anything common in them? Yes, all of them have a keypad with many keys. Each key has a different function. In the same way, a computer too has a keyboard with many keys. These keys are used to type letters, words or numbers. Yes children, a keyboard has many buttons and it is used to type any letters, any numbers or any symbols also. Now turn your page. Here given my activity. This is homework page. So write here SW. You have to write here principal names and here computer teacher's name. Okay. And first write name, principal name, computer teacher name, and after that you have to find these letters in the keypad and color in blue color. In the same way, here also you have to find these letters in keypad and color with yellow. Okay, now come to the next page. Now children, next part is mouse. See children, it looks like a real mouse. See, this is a computer mouse. It looks like a real mouse. It has 2 or 3 buttons. It helps us to draw picture, point at things on the monitor and play games. Now children, computer is used to draw pictures. If you want to draw anything, you can use mouse. And it is using for playing games also. Okay, now next part, printer. A printer is used to take a printout on paper. If you want to take printout of any picture, any story, any text, then you can use printer. Okay, and after this you have to do my activity. Now children, see, here given hints. First, First is mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Now second, monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Now third is keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Fourth, printer, P-R-I-N-T-E-R, printer. And last, CPU. Okay, and after that you have to color this box. You have to search in this box where is M, here M, and it is in purple color, so you have to color in purple. U here it is in green color, so color in green. S, blue, so it is in blue color. Okay, now turn your page. Brain developer book exercise. First question, fill in the blanks. First, the CPU is the brain of a computer. Yes, here given hints. The CPU is the brain of a computer. Now second, we can type alphabets or number using the keyboard. Third, printer is used to take a printout on paper. Fourth, a monitor shows the work done on a computer. Now next B, write T for true or F for false. First, a monitor looks like a television. Yes, it is true. Second, you can watch stories on the CPU. False. Third, a mouse is used to draw pictures. True. And fourth, a mouse has many keys. No. False. Now next question C, take the best answer. 1. A dash is used to point at things on the monitor. Answer is mouse, so take the mouse option. Second, a monitor looks like a television, so take the television option. Now third is, a computer has a keyboard with many keys, so take the keys option. Now D, answer in one word. What is used to type letters, numbers or words? Answer, keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. Second, which part of a computer help us to play games? Answer, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Now next question, question number E. Write the name of computer parts from the jumbled letters. Answer, here given jumbled words. You have to correct them. First is mouse, second is monitor, and third is CPU, and fourth keyboard. And here write SW. It is homework. So you have to recognize these pictures and write their names. Okay, this is a monitor, mouse, printer, CPU, and computer and keyboard. Okay, now let's start copy work of this lesson. Now children, let's start copy work. First you have make 2 lines headline and write lesson 4. Lesson name, parts of a computer. Here write CW and here date. After headline you have to leave one line, then start first difficult words. D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T, difficult words. First word is different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. You have to write 4 times to each word. Children, there are 8 words in this lesson. Okay, now second word is monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Third is keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, Now fourth, mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. In the front of this page, you have to draw monitor and CPU. See children, monitor and CPU. And after this, fifth word, printer, P-R-I-N-T-E-R, printer. Sixth number, function, F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N. Seventh number, central, C-E-N-T-R-A-L, central. And last 8 word, processing, P-R-O-C-E-S-S-I-N-G, processing. And after this, question answer will start. So you have to make one line headline and write lesson 4 CW. And second question answer. Second question number 1. What are the 4 main parts of a computer? Put question mark. Answer, monitor, mouse, CPU and keyboard. And after, you have to leave one line. Then start question number 2. What is the full form of CPU? Answer, Central Processing Unit. Now question number 3. Which part of a computer is known as brain of a computer? Question mark. Answer, a CPU is the brain of a computer. Now children, copy work is over. Thank you everyone.